Most students get this 11 plus question wrong. Let me show you the easiest way to solve it. Let's look at the question. What the question is saying. What are the missing numbers in the series? 98, 100, 102, then two blank spaces, and the last digit here is 108. Now, first we observe what can the pattern be. Now, the pattern, if you observe 98 and 100, 100 is 2 more than 98, 102 is 2 more than 100. It means it would be 104, which is 2 more than 102, and then again we will add 2 and get 106. Let's check if we add 2 here, can we get 108? Yes. So first we observe, and that's it. Now, if you want to improve your maths step by step, you can book a free class with me on Superprof. Have a nice day.